Hi and welcome to this Excel tips video. Today let me show you how you can set up a formula in that as you input your records in Excel, it auto generates for you the numbering or serial numbers like this. And the functions in our toolbox that will help us set up this is a combination of the rows and the if function. And without further ado, let us start right now. I'll start by putting in any record over here. Then I will move to the column where I want my auto numbers to generate from, and in the formula bar I will start typing equals if. Then I will start to give Excel a logical test, and this will be if cell C5 is empty, open and close quotes, comma, then give me nothing, open and close quotes, comma, and if the value is false, then I need to open the rows function, open parenthesis, then my array will be cell B5 to cell B5. Then you select the first cell reference and hit the F4 key on your keyboard to lock. Close your parenthesis twice and hit enter key on your keyboard. Because there is a record in cell C5, that's why you're seeing serial number 1 over here. And when we remove this word, Excel should give us nothing in cell B5. That's the formula we have just written in our formula bar over here. Then you can copy this formula to the rest of the cells where you'd like the serial numbers to auto-populate from. I drag up to those cells. Then I can now start inputting my records. For example, Word, Excel, Publisher, SharePoint, OneDrive, Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.